Hello, my name is Wilma and today I want to show you why it makes sense to look at plastic waste before throwing it away. Maybe you need it for pottery. Here I have a woman bathing in a pond and a little bird swimming by. For the bikini I press the dots in with a plastic stop. In this container I collect the caps and plastic parts round over square, just tight enough to always have the same shape. The bikini I poked with a protective cap for a brush. But there are other good caps. Here a mouthwash, Tetra Pak packaging. For eyes a broken ballpoint pen, so do not throw away immediately, always think, what can I create with it in the clay? I'm happy if you subscribe to my channel, press the like button and leave comments or questions. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. So now there's a bit of a postscript. I rolled out extra clay to show. I have to adjust it differently now. Perfect. Here we go. It's really super easy and goes very quickly. Sometimes it's really tight and the glaze runs. That's mistake of the week then. Bye.